Okay, you guys, we were in a rush this morning and we need laundry done. So we found a place last night that had a sign and we went there this morning. I didn't film it, but I'm gonna film it when we go pick it up.
Everywhere we go.
We are growing up without borders, a family of 5 traveling around the world.
Everywhere we go.
This whole journey started back in 2013. Now, we have been to over 100 countries. In today's video, we'll be showing you how we get our laundry done, where the local digital nomads hang out, how to do flower making, have some high tea, explore some more temples, and discover a really cool night market with heaps of shops. This is day 3 in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
It's this little cute old lady. She's sleeping in what looks to be like a storage unit. She has her bed there and then this tiny little machine, and she literally hangs the clothes out here on the side of the road where people can snatch it. So we're in a rush. I'm like, just leave it, don't worry. Worst case scenario, we lose all of our clothes and we'll have to buy new ones. So Angelique is not happy with me right now.
So we're starting off our day here at the shopping mall because it is right beside the street where they have all the cafes and all the food. And I'll show you what it looks like.
If any of you have heard of the word a workation, a workation is what a lot of digital nomads do when they are here. Chiang Mai is actually one of the top destinations for digital nomads because of the cost of living and because it's a great spot to come, stay for maybe a month or a few weeks and get a lot of work done while they are traveling. So this area that we're in is where all the cafes are, and I'm expecting to see people working on their laptops. At least that's what I have in my head, but this is what it looks like here. It's like literally a whole street of stores, coffee shops, and boutiques.
This place is like a newer area rather than the main city. And look at this! Made with real elephant poop paper.
Oh.
Recycle and order weight. It's called poo-poo paper.
So the first stop we're gonna see is a salad bar. Let's go check it out. How's it look, girls?
Everything has salad.
I decided to go for an avocado salad. It's a strawberry salad dressing.
Is it good?
So fresh. Angelique decided to go for a wrap. It's a pretty big one, isn't it? How is it? How is it, Chloe? Chloe decided to get tofu mac and cheese.
It's really good.
Is it good?
And I went with her to panini.
Panini. And Tyler got some pasta. All right, so we just had an amazing lunch, but this area honestly is not what I had envisioned because it is, well, first of all, it's a really big long street from the shopping mall all the way down. But I think if you veer off into all the side streets, that's where you're gonna find more of the maybe quaint little places. So that's what we're going to go look for right now so we can show you.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken.
We are still on the hunt for the quaint little coffee shops, guys. So if you're coming here looking like we are, maybe do a little bit of research because the street is massive and there's so many side streets, so you'll probably end up spending lots of time doing what we're doing, and that is walking around looking. But we are looking for the coffee shop that digital nomads maybe hang out in. So I heard there's at least 3,000 digital nomads that choose Chiang Mai as their destination. And to be honest, I was wondering, like, would we choose this as our workation place? And maybe for a few weeks it's okay, but for me, I really like having lakes and nature and good quality of air and different things like that. So cost of living isn't the only thing on our like top list, basically. I think we found a cute little coffee shop.
All right, Valentine's is coming up, so.
Does this remind you of Valentine's?
Yeah.
It is not the coffee place we were expecting. Please comment below with some links to some of those, you know, coffee bars that we were expecting, because we just haven't found it yet. Look what I found, a whole bunch of teddy bears. The Love Cafe. Oh, there's one beside you. And here's the yummy coffee. So we're here at this art gallery right here in Chiang Mai. And what's cool about it is that I used to live in Switzerland back when I was like in my late teens to 20. And one of my roommates, Ken Anderson, went to school with this guy right here. Say hello.
Hello.
And he owns this gallery turned into like a pub bar here right in Chiang Mai. So we came by to say hello and deliver a special hello from Ken directly. So here we are. We're gonna let the girls come. Our laundry's over there. Okay, come on girls, let's go see our laundry. Come on, Chloe. Are you guys ready to see Chloe freak out? Chloe is all about cleanliness and everything.
I see it right now. I see it. It's not like where I thought when they said it's on the street and everything, I thought it was gonna be way busier. It's not too bad.
There's our clothes hanging. Wait till you guys see what the ladies' place looks like too. Where are all our underwear? Oh, they're there.
The ladies are all clothing lunch today.
That's hilarious. And this is the lady's little place here. This is where she does laundry. See, we saw this last night. 1 kilo for 40 baht. And this is her place. What do you guys think of that?
Wow.
Wow, is it pretty?
Disgusting.
You think it's
So mean.
Isn't it wild? And there's all her clothes. Where people are walking.
At least they're washed.
At least they're clean.
I guess.
Okay guys, next stop is going to do something very traditional. The girls are still mesmerized by their laundry, but we're gonna go learn how to make really cool like flower things. Yeah, we'll come get them after. Girls, look at this. Nice.
Here at Aksara Hotel, they gave us classes on how to make these beautiful flower arrangements. It's really cool because it's something that is actually a tradition here in Thailand, that when someone comes to your home, you usually offer them one of these flower arrangements as a gift.
Yeah, good job.
So when you complete like it, you just put it down. Also, if you can fry, then you can put these just together. There you go.
So they are coming along. Look at Chloe's. Chloe's, yours is pretty big already.
This is mine so far.
Very nice. And Angelique, let's see yours. Yours is all done. Wow. So where we were earlier was okay, but honestly guys, this area here is way prettier and so many more nicer restaurants, cafes, and boutiques. So this is the last temple that we are going to show you here. So not all temples here you have to pay to go in, but this one specifically is 40 bahts to go in. And yeah, I'm sure we have to go.
Children are 20.
We have to go dress up properly. So what I'd like to know, because we have seen just temple after temple after temple, but I'm really curious to know how many temples there are. So if you want to see the most magnificent temples, definitely come to Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
We came for tea time and look at what they've presented us with here. This is really neat. So we've got sandwiches, spring rolls, jasmine sticky rice, and then we have no idea what this is. So we're going to try it and let you know.
Some sticky rice with mango. I got a sandwich and I got a samosa. Let's try it.
Look at this. What is it?
Let's try this. I'll try the sandwich. It's the best.
So good.
So good and it's nice and warm. And,
Look at the nice cute pottery they've got here. So pretty. Oh, this is tuna too. It's so good.
It's better than any tuna sandwich I've had on this trip.
It's even better than mine, isn't it?
It's really good.
this is a samosa.
Look at this. I have no idea what we're eating.
It's like chili with cheese inside. The samosa is the best so far.
It's not cheese, it's like...
What's samosa? And lastly, this is more so for dessert, but I'll still try it. We have some sticky rice with mango. I'm gonna have a bite real quick, right?
So good, right? So this, I believe, is like a dessert. It's very chewy. It has a coconut flavor. I have no idea what it is. It's kind of like a mix between a cake and something chewy. It's good. I have no idea what this is, but it's, well, as you can see, it's clear.
Look, guys.
This is what it comes like.
Look at it, it's like mushy.
Comes like that. Okay, here we go. That's good. It's really good. I don't know what it is though.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's baby A.
No, it's not. No. It's sweet. It's a dessert.
Really?
It's really good.
All the top ones I think are desserts. Those are
So these ladies come here with their little motorcycles and they put up a little stand. And this one is serving yummy French crepes. What flavors did you guys get?
Nutella banana. Nutella banana.
Yay! And how much is a Nutella banana crepe? 60. It's like $2. Hot. Next stop, the Chiang Mai Evening Bazaar, and it looks like it's just as busy as the Sunday night one too.
Right now we're in the night bazaar and it's open till midnight.
Whoa, look at the McDonald's sign right behind you.
So when we arrived, I didn't really remember too much, but then when I started seeing the items, I'm like, oh my goodness. My mom got an ID here, similar like these.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's like this magic guy doing some tricks, and we bought some magic trick stuff.
That's where we got the magic trick.
Yes, this is so cool. It's bringing back lots of memories. Oh, the girls are finding lots and lots of stuff here. Oh, stop, more bags. Let's go see all the bags. Wow, look at all of the bags they have in here. Holy. Uh-oh. You guys, Tyler's in trouble. We have to stop at every bag store. What in the world? Then there's this. Look at this.
Chloe's on the hunt. She found something exciting.
What'd
Chedi friend Chloe versus
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Angelique and Chloe got a brand new purse. Let's see what does it look like, girls? Ooh, nice. So let's just say how much we paid for those. We have been bargaining a bit.
It was
We basically got
30 Canadian, but 25 US. So we did good.
Now let's see if we can find anything else.
Whoops! And it already broke. Oh, I was just joking. I was just gonna say, you guys, this place is unreal because literally every area you can go down into another area that has so many stores. It just keeps going on and on and on and on. And we are just having a blast discovering all the cool
Getting
products.
some really cool deals.
Yes.
So we just hit the jackpot. Mexican.
Yeah, yummy. Oh, look at this. Well, guys, this is the Mexican version of a quesadilla. Cheese and beans, but they put a lot of spinach in it. So Chloe just had a bite. She didn't really like it. It's good. It's just not what we were thinking when you think of the Mexican taste, because it tastes very spinachy. Still good, delicious. Let me show you. This was Chloe's face when she tried it. Oh no. You don't like it, Chloe? You need a tea! Okay. Alright, Angelique, let's see you have some. What did you get?
This is number 11.
Okay, here we go. Back into our handy dandy, whatever you call this thing here.
And before we leave, I got myself a new t-shirt for $5.
Yay! Alright, let's go. Here we go. This is take 2 on getting our laundry. Oh, it's here. Swadee Cup. Can I get our laundry? Yes? This here? All in the bag. Came here with 3 bags and leaving with 2. Hoping that I have everything. Ah, this is not mine. That's not mine. Somebody else's. Hello. I don't work here. I'm just getting my own laundry. Girls, what did you guys just get? These cute little elephant gifts. Look at how cute they are. They are adorable. Oh, we have so much. Look at them. So cute.
We've got other elephants in our suitcase as well.
That's so much fun.
Thanks so much for watching our tour of Chiang Mai here in Thailand.
Guys, give us a big thumbs up if you liked the video and comment down below where you're watching from. We'll see you next time.
Bye.